We often hear the phrase, "we are what we eat." Does this simply refer to our physical health? Today, we will explore the deep relationship between food, meditation, and every layer of our existence as conveyed by ancient wisdom. Let's discover the amazing secrets of how food shapes our minds, emotions, and even our consciousness. Ancient Indian scriptures repeatedly emphasize the importance of food. Truly, one consists of the essence of food. Therefore, we are what we eat. The Taittiriya Upanishad states that because of food, all breath, or prana, becomes great, and explains that the subtlest part of what we eat becomes our mind. The Chandogya Upanishad goes further, using the metaphor that just as churning curds produces butter, the subtlest part of food becomes the mind, and the subtlest part of water becomes prana, or life force. This suggests that food is a core element that constitutes our mental and energetic being beyond simple physical nutrients. Then what is good food for yoga practitioners? For a yoga practitioner, good food is that which is spiritually beneficial and leads toward the realization of the true self. Substances that distort consciousness, dull the senses, or cause addiction must be avoided because they pull the mind into an abnormal state of imbalance. This is because the electromagnetic and chemical properties of what we consume have a profound impact on our psyche. For this reason, those who wish to elevate to a higher consciousness strictly abstain from all animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, and milk, as well as tobacco, alcohol, and mind-altering drugs. All of this does not just refer to a material perspective. Every being is composed of various energy layers, from the coarsest material atoms to the subtlest spiritual energies. This means that what we eat affects not only our physical body, but all our energy layers. Our minds, emotions, and even our will are aggregates of subtle energy, and everything we eat and drink permeates and influences these energy layers. Every being consists of energy layers, and the food we eat affects all of these layers. In the Bhagavad Gita, it is explained, the supreme, imperishable God is Brahman. The manifestation of Brahman that exists everywhere without discrimination is called Adhyatma. The cosmic vibration Om, which causes the birth, maintenance, and dissolution of beings and various attributes, is called Karma. This explains the fundamental energetic nature of the universe. We are a microcosm of this vast universe, and the energy within us determines everything about us. Why then should animal foods be avoided? It is because of an energetic perspective that goes beyond mere nutrients. Animal foods can negatively affect the mind by transferring the negative energy experienced by the animal at the time of slaughter to humans. Eating the flesh of an animal means that the energy of the animal's mind, emotions, and will enters the human body and can influence the human mind, emotions, and will. In other words, an intellectual human could take on animalistic attributes. In particular, the extremely negative and intense energies such as fear, sadness, attachment to life, anger, and resentment experienced by the animal when slaughtered are said to be passed directly to the person who eats the meat, potentially destroying a normal and balanced spirit. For those striving to attain higher consciousness, this can be even more fatal.